Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video we're going to be making Mahamri. Mahamri is a Kenyan delicacy. I don't know if you guys have heard also about mandazi. Mandazi is like a donut, but the difference between mandazi and Mahamri is in Mahamri you use yeast instead of using baking powder. So let's look at what are the ingredients for making Mahamri. So here I have 3.5 cups of flour. Then I have 1 cup of warm milk. That's a 1/3 cup of sugar. Then you will need like a 2 or 1 tablespoon or teaspoon, for cardamoms. And then this is a yeast here, which is almost bubbling over. Because I didn't have instant, this is the dry yeast that you mix with water, warm water. And you can also add a little sugar, then you stir, and then you let it rest until it looks like this. And then I'm also going to use margarine. Yes, and the milk is optional. In case you're lactose intolerant, you can use just plain water to work fine. So now I will just start with rubbing in the margarine into the flour. Sugar and cardamom added, then I'm just gonna mix it up. So once the margarine has, been rubbed in the flour well, I'm going to add sugar. I added sugar and then also put the cardamom, and then I'm gonna mix it up. So now I've poured in the milk and the yeast, and then I'm going to now knead it all together. The dough is now ready, so I'm going to cover it with a cling and let it rest for 1 hour. This is how it looks like. See how it has really puffed up after an hour. So we are now going to roll it out. So now we are going to roll it out like this. Okay, once the oil is ready, you just place them. It takes just a few seconds until they're golden brown, and then you can turn them. So let me turn them. So I have turned them so that they cook evenly. So our Mahamris are ready. Here they are. So in Kenya, Kenyans normally have them with tea, or you can actually have them as a meal with some kind of sauces, but I'm going to enjoy them with a hot cup of tea. The Mahamris are ready over there. This is how they look inside. Yeah, they're supposed to be hollow, and then sometimes people can put something in there. So, but I'm going to enjoy mine with a hot cup of tea. I could have used a little bit more sugar, but they're still good.